Magandang araw mga kabisa. Ako po ang iyong kabisa, si Ms. Elisa de Chavez Castillo from Immigrant Visa Center. Maganda po ang topic natin ngayon. Ito po ay bagong-bago. Regarding po ito sa changes to US visa services ng US Embassy Manila. Ito po ay effective September 28, 2024. Okay. So, ang US Embassy in Manila, nag-introduce po sila ng changes for visa appointment system. Including na po dito yung pagbubukas nila ng VAC, yung VAC na tinatawag, at yung latest scheduling appointment. So ano ba yung VAC? Visa Application Center, ito po ay the US Embassy set this appointment system nila para sila po ang mag-schedule ng appointment for fingerprint or biometrics sa tinatawag and photo scanning. So, dati po kasi sa loob ng embassy nyo gagawin yan. Ngayon, sa labas na po ng embassy, sa Parañaque, ang address po nila ay Parcal Building 8, Level 3, Diosdado Macapagal Boulevard, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City, Metro Manila. So, dalawa na po ang appointment na ibubuk nyo. Number one, ito po yung Visa Application Center sa Parañaque. And number two, para po sa US Embassy for interview. Huwag po kayong malilito. Ito ay para lang po sa mga aplikante na magbubuk ng appointment September 28, 2024 onwards. Pero kung kayo po ay nakapag-book ng appointment before September 28 at ang inyong interview ay after September 28, you do not need to schedule your VAC application or appointment. Now, dalawa po ang trabaho ng VAC Center. Una po ay para po sila ay mag-receive ng inyong DS-160 online application and biometric scanning and photo scanning. So, and the other job of the VAC Center is to receive your interview waiver document o ito po yung tinatawag na, ito po yung para sa mga, para mas madaling maintindihan, ito po yung magre-renew ng visa. Kung kayo nabigyan ng multiple 10 years at mag-expire na po siya or expire na po siya, pwede nyo pong isubmit ang yung online visa application sa VAC Center. Now, ang interview naman po natin, schedule of course sa US Embassy, Manila. Alright, paano ba mag-create ng profile? Ito, marami kasi kami na-receive na inquiries or nagtatanong kasi bago pa lang yan, hindi namin alam, hindi kayo nakapasok, we're having hard time to schedule or to book. Number one, if new user, ibig sabihin bago pa lang kayo mag-a-apply, wala pa kayong previous visa application, you should use this. Pupunta lang kayo sa US Travel Docs, enter Philippines, and then ito po yung login account. So para lang po kayo prepare o naghahanda ng inyong create an account into a Facebook account, like a Facebook account or any account po na kinikreate nyo. Parang ganito lang po, similar to this. Username, okay? Yan po yung username and set a password. Kung kayo naman po ay dati na may CGI account or dati nang na-interview sa to say or kaya na-refuse, ngayon, hindi nyo na ma-open yung old CGI account nyo. Instead, gagamitin nyo na po itong new CGI account. Okay? So, ito po ay you should retrieve. Kailangan mariretrieve nyo yung online application. Dapat you have your active email address previously used. Then they will set you a new password so that automatically your old account from CGI will automatically transfer to new account. Now, for non-immigrant visa, if you book your appointment before September 28, again, sabi ko kanina, you are not subject to the new policy requiring biometric or fingerprint at VAC Center. Even your interview appointment is scheduled after October 2024 or later date. Now, ito ang maganda pong pag-usapan. Paano ba mag-apply? Kasi bago pa lang system yun ng embassy, medyo hindi pa kami kabisado, hindi pa na kami makapasok. Okay, number one, step one, okay? So nandiyan po ang step one natin. Ang step one is prepare your online account. Okay? And then, pag naka-prepare na po kayo ng account, dapat know your visa class. Kung kayo po ay nag-apply for non-immigrant like tourist visa, B1, B2 ang tawag dyan. Kung immigrant visa naman under the family-based category, F1 for unmarried above 21 of U.S. citizen, children of U.S. citizen, F2 ay spouse and minor children of immigrant, F3, ito po yung para sa married children of U.S. citizen, F4, siblings of U.S. citizen, and IR5, immediate relative, ito po yung spouse or parent of a U.S. citizen. So you should know your category. Step 2, complete your online application. Sabi ko nga kanina, you should complete your online application saan? Doon pa rin sa SEAC account, CEAC. Okay? And then kung non-immigrant, you select non-immigrant. Kung immigrant naman, you select immigrant. And then if you're applying for a non-immigrant, click DS-160 online application. So, complete your online application. Once you complete your online application, lagi ninyong iti-take down note yung inyong account information. Kasi yan ang gagamitin natin pag-book ng appointment. Now, after you complete your online application, okay, so ang step number 3 natin would be go to bank to pay for your visa application fee. Bank, anong bangko? RCBC Bank, nearest you. So, dapat dala nyo yung completed application form nyo together with a copy of your valid passport, okay? And your, of course, visa fee payment. Alright. Para po naman sa step 4, kung nakabayad na kayo, yan, pwede na kayong mag-book ng appointment dalawa. Isa sa VAC, sa VAAC, para mag-biometric, and isa naman para sa interview schedule. So, again, dalawa yung ibubook nyo. Ito for the new user. Then, after nyo nga-book, for example, you were scheduled for biometric sa VAC ng November 15, interview December. Then, step 6, attend na kayo for interview. Siguro, I will prepare for a separate video for preparing yourself for interview appointment. Then, step 6, kung pasado, approve yung visa nyo, non-immigrant or immigrant man yan, you should track your application or your passport. Okay, I'm showing you a sample of new appointment confirmation. This is book, okay? Na-book siya before September 28. Yan ang itsura. Number of applicants, so isa lang. And then OFC, ibig sabihin ng OFC, Off-Site Facilitation Center. Okay? So 1. And then, ang nakalagay dito Embassy Consulate / OFC. Nakalagay dito, kung mapapansin nyo, okay, nakalagay, yan, yung may yellow, do not use. Bakit do not use? Because you book your appointment before September 28. So, yung interview nyo, okay, sa US Embassy Manila. Yan, kanyang interview is October 24, 2024. Now, ito naman ang itsura ng appointment confirmation book after September 28, 2024. Family of 3 kasi they're applying for non-immigrant visa. Name of the applicant kung sino lang yung principal applicant. Okay? And then nakalagay dito Embassy/Consulate OFC. Nakalagay Manila OFC. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan niyang mag-book for biometric. And then schedule for biometric niya ay November 15, 11 a.m. Saan? Sa Parañaque. And then interview schedule, hindi na lang natin napakita, interview schedule ng applikanting to ay December. Now, you will choose your biometric date. Kailangan pumili kayo ng biometric date. Dapat close to your prepared interview date. Because, bakit? Hindi nyo ma-view kung anong available slot kung ang pipiliin yung appointment ay napakalayo. Appointment for biometric. I'm saying for biometric. Doon sa appointment sa interview. Dapat close sila sa date. Okay? Kasi pag hindi nyo na-close na date ang napili, wala kayong ma-view na appointment. Of course, pag napili nyo na, lalabas yung available date. Okay? So kung anong oras, pipili na kayo, you are free to choose anong oras, anong date, and then saka nyo na ipapasok yung receipt number nyo galing sa RCBC Bank. Malinaw. Okay, how much is the non-immigrant visa application fee for tourists? Yung B1, B2, it's 100. Good news. This is good news because mababa ang dollar ngayon, 185 US dollar, equivalent to 10,730 Philippine money. Now, for immigrant visa naman, this is very important. If the NVC has scheduled your interview, you do not need to book your biometric or fingerprint at VAC Center dahil exempted kayo because si National Visa Center na ang nag-schedule ng appointment sa'yo. So, hindi na kayo affected doon sa new policy. Kaya huwag nyo nang isipin yon. Wala kaming VAC. Kasi si NVC ang nag-schedule sa inyo. And this is another good news. Kung kayo ay nag-apply ng immigrant visa and you were, sad to say, di ba, bago magpa-interview medical, na-sputum kayo. Anong yung sputum? Ito yung medical examination nyo that they have to culture they have to collect a saliva from you because they will culture it for 2 months, delayed kayo ng 2 months, and you should wait for 2 months result. Di ba, kina-cancel na interview, sasabihin sa inyo na St. Luke's, kung kayo po ay nakaschedule ng December 5, dapat nyo pong i-cancel yan. But good news, ngayon po, effective September 28, 2024, kung kayo po ay na-sputum, kayo po ay may interview ng December 2, and then nagpa-medical kayo, and sad to say, subject for sputum kayo, now, you can still proceed. Yan, masaya yan. You can still proceed for your appointment schedule on December 2. However, you will be given, expected na po yan, a 221G letter, meaning a 221G letter that you have to comply with additional requirements. Kung ito ay medical, so you have to wait for the result, for the negative result of your sputum test. Kung ito naman po ay for 221G letter like submission of other documents, so given na po yon, magsasubmit kayo sa VAC Center. Now, assuming you pass your interview, okay, sabi ng consul, congratulations, your visa is approved. Wait for your visa to be delivered in 7 to 10 working days. Tatlo po ang inyong pamimilian para makuha ang inyong visa, passport. Number 1, for US pickup, free of charge. Ito po ay sa MOA before, ngayon po ay sa VAC Center. Yan. So, later po, ipakita ko po kung ano mga requirements. Number 2, kung gusto niyo naman po ay i-deliver po ito sa home address nyo, halimbawa kayo ay gusto niyo ipa-deliver sa Laguna, so piliin niyo po yung premium delivery service. Meron lang po silang fee na 430, dati ay 440. Now, ang last po, yung premium location. Yan. Ito po yung para mga nasa sa Iloilo, Cebu. Okay? Piliin niyo po yung premium location wherein you can choose the nearest LBC located to your area for pick up. Pick up niyo lang po. And you should also prepare a 430 Philippine money. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. So, kung gusto niyo pick upin ang inyong passport sa VAC, ito po yung kailangan, personal. Taga Metro Manila lang kayo. So, you need a passport, of course, valid ID, a copy of your passport, a government ID, and a printed copy of your appointment schedule. Okay? Kung kayo naman po ay you'd like somebody to pick up your passport on your behalf, you should prepare a valid ID, one for you and one for the applicant, an authorization letter, and of course, yung pong appointment confirmation from VAC. Now, and the final step, of course, this is the happiest moment. You receive your approved US visa. Okay? You are preparing for your flight. So I hope po marami po kayong natutunan sa aking shinare sa inyo ngayon. So again, ako po ang inyong kabisa, si Ms. Elisa de Chavez Castillo from Immigrant Visa Center. Immigrant Visa Center has been in this industry. We've been helping our Filipino people for over 20 years. Yan, mahigit 20 years na po tayo na tumutulong sa ating mga kababayan, mga kabisa, regarding visa application, particular in US, Canada, Australia, UK, and New Zealand. Kung kayo po ay may question, kayo po ay medyo confused pa, hindi nyo pa alam, naguguluhan kayo dahil sa nag-error, si ganito, you can contact us at 0998-991-9845 or 0918-963-4143. Ako po ang inyong kabisa, si Ms. Elisa de Chavez Castillo, nagsasabing basta visa, itanong nyo kay Isa.